1 gallon of clear glue Elmer's. And the stuff we're going to be needing is two spatulas, a bowl with a cap, and borax. And we could tell it's borax because of the color is not that clear. So yeah, let's get started. We actually have two gallons. Today we're just going to do one. And this one we're probably just going to save it.
Yeah.
So, okay. Okay, you put half back. We've never made this much slime, so yeah. Oh my god. And if you guys hear dog barking, we have dogs over there, so yeah.
But they're not ours.
Yeah, they're not ours.
They're our neighbors. We were going to
we bring the camera over here so
we were taking care of them.
Yeah. Okay, bring it over here so we'll take. No, you carry it. We're gonna need to make more borax. Hold my spatula. It's just
we need more borax.
Yeah. Don't mix too hard.
Yeah. We would drop some. So I mix with my hands. I'm gonna start.
No, not yet. It's too sticky still. Hi, Kayla. You guys can see.
Why does she always send me? Oh my god, it's actually turning blue in my hand.
So she's mixing the borax. No, because you see all that stuff down there. We've been watching a lot of slime videos for this video to ideas. So yeah. You guys can
There?
see it? Yeah. Could you have some, please?
My hand's gonna be off completely.
Yeah. A lot. More over here.
Next time when we run out, it's your turn too. Oh my god, it's actually making more.
I think we need more borax in there. Okay, I'll go add more borax here.
I should keep mixing it.
Put it in there. So you guys can see it's coming together. Just gonna mix it in both hands because it's faster probably. You guys see this?
Oh my god, look at it. The blue chunk is in. That's right, no wonder why it's turning blue. Who's gonna add the borax?
Now what? I'll clean my hands.
Because for me, it's gonna take forever to get it out since it hasn't been. Here, I'll take it off. Oh no, because my hands are blue. Oh my god, it's just turning off. It is turning white.
Don't touch right there.
White. Look at how it turned.
Okay. So we're gonna mix this.
Oh my god, look at this good chunk.
I think that's good, right? Okay, it's almost done. Finally.
Okay, dropping over here.
Fine. Oh my god, this is so heavy. We've never made this much
Put some on my hand.
slime.
Okay. Mine's making out right now. Making.
Oof.
I'm getting it once down.
Okay, I'm gonna take it down. Ready?
No, I need.
Yes.
So let me add more borax.
Not yet, okay? Not yet.
After it's almost done, you could
Don't come up here, okay?
Okay. And I'm changing. 22 minutes long.
But it's still not done.
The cap is in here.
There's still some.
Oh my god, he actually made a good slime. We don't want it that sticky and too hard.
Yeah.
We want it like the perfect thing. The perfect
Texture.
yeah.
Go. And then all over. There, that's good. That's gonna be rock.
We're gonna need this much.
Oh my gosh.
It's not all gonna fit in there.
Yeah.
Can't say open it. Me.
I don't know if we should make that one.
I think no, because
That's a
we
lot.
should make that on another video.
Or if not, if that a little bit could just be for us.
Yeah, for school. Right now we're gonna cut around.
Maybe.
And can we do this way?
Maybe, okay?
Can we do this way again?
No, we don't need no more. That's perfect. And you can hear my baby sister talking to the dogs. She loves dogs.
And then I'm gonna turn the light, okay?
No, we don't need the light.
Here's over here.
Okay.
Here's over.
So we'll give you guys a
They're
one.
scared.
Let's put it together for a second.
Wait.
I know we do need to clean our hands. So yeah, let's do ASMR. Ready? Okay, so let's end off the video right here. Let's end it off. Okay. So this is gonna be the end of the video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification and share. And please get us to 100 subscribers. And if you guys do, we'll do a challenge. So yeah, bye guys. Sorry for the long video.